Good morning, children. This is another English class. Previous class I gave 5 mains, SA1 revision. As you know, next week we are going to conduct SA1 exam. So for that I am giving revision. First 5 mains I have given previous class. Today I will continue from there. Okay, so take out the same book and continue. 6 main. So 6 main, what it is? Read the question, children. Underline the proper noun. Underline the proper. One passage will be given. In that, you have to only underline. You have to identify the proper noun. So proper noun means what? 2 types of names are there. Some are common, like girl, boy, countries. Means there is no specific name to it. So any naming word is common noun, but if you give some name for that, then it will be proper noun. And all the proper noun we write in capital letters. Okay, so that is one thing. So here see Rumi. Rumi is a little girl. So here one name is there, one specific name is there. If it is only girl is said means it is common noun. Any girl can be, but if I mention Rumi means one specific girl. So it is, then it is proper noun. And it is started with capital also. So only you have to underline. Here, only you have to underline, that's all. Next one, sentence you read. So, Rumi is a little girl. Here, Rumi is a proper noun. Second, she lives in Mumbai. Now, if I say any city, any place, that will be common noun. But if I mention Mumbai, some place name I am mentioning, so it will be proper noun. And it is in capital letter, you see, Mumbai. She has a cat. These are all common noun. She calls it Leo. So, she is giving some name for it. Leo. The cat name is Leo. So, it is a proper noun once again. Now, every Sunday. So, any day are common noun. Day, if I mention is common noun. But I am mentioning Sunday, one specific day. It will be proper noun. She goes to St. Mary's Church. So, here one church name. St. Mary's Church. So, this is also proper noun. Understood? Any no name, no specific name means it will be common noun. Specific name is there means it will be proper noun. So like the passage given means only you have to underline. You have to find out the proper noun, you have to underline. That's all. This main is about that. So you can pause the video, you can copy it. Okay, so next I'll go 7th main. Write it down, children. Finish now. Sixth main point finish now. 7th main. Seventh main. Write the plurals. Write the plurals. The plural means what? More than one. More than one. Okay. So few words we add s. Sometimes we add es. Sometimes we write different name only. So sometimes ending with y means we write ies. Ending with f means we write ves. Like that we do. So few example I'll give. One is ball. Here simple you write, copy the same word and add one s. You will get plural. So sometimes we add only s along with the main word. Number 2. THIEF, thief. Any word ending with f for plural we write THIEVES we write. We write VES instead of F. F will be removed and VES we should write. So this is one more rule. Number, then you can take this one. BABY. So ending with Y, remove it and you write IES. Okay, this is one more rule. Number 4. This is different. Ox, it will become oxen. Then some word there is no plural form it. Okay, you just same thing you should write. Like sheep, there is no plural form. You write sheep only. SHEEP, sheep. Sometimes like man, A will change to E. Man will become men. That's all. Okay. So this is one more. Men, ball, balls, thief, thieves, baby, babies. Then ox, oxen, sheep, sheep. Here there is no change. Huh? Few words there is no change. Man, men. So this is plural. So next men you see 8 men. So this is 7th men. Finished I think. Next 8 men I'll go. Write the opposite. Now reverse meaning. Opposite means reverse meaning. So 8 men. Write the opposites. Write the opposites. Write the opposites. Right. Right. Talkative. 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 Opposite is quiet. Talkative is who talk too much. Quiet. 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 Number 2, you can take beautiful. 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 Ugly. 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 Number 3. You take failure. 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 Success. Opposite is success. Success. Okay, see the spelling correctly. Number 4, strange. Strange means usually you don't get to see that. Something not common, that is strange. Opposite is familiar. 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 Number 5. You write DRY, dry. It is wet. WET, wet. Number 6, you write useful. USEFUL, useful. Useless. There is no use means useless, we said. Useless. Right. Write it down. Now see next main. It is write the past tense. Now tense means you know the time frame. Which time we are doing that work. So present tense you already have an idea. So when you talk about past means what already happened. So that word also will change for past tense. So here find, that is present tense. Find. I find maths very difficult. Okay, like that. So find past tense will be found. Find, found means it is past tense means already happened. So what is the answer? FOUND. So that word also will change. When you are writing the sentence is past tense, word will be changed. Verb will be changed to past tense also. Then swim. Answer is swam. 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 Next, fly. Flew. 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 Forget. Forgot. Forget. Forgot. Next, go. Went. 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 Fall. Fell. So few common word I have given. These are all past tense, past form of the these are the simple present. These are past tense. So when you change the sentence, verb also will be changed. Okay, find, found, swim, swam, fly, flew, forget, forgot, go, went, fall, fell. Now next main, true or false, I am not writing children because true or false you see the worksheet only, refer. Next main, just mention the main. 10th main, write true or false. Write true, false. This one sentence you have to read and you know the story. So correct means you have to write true, not correct means false. That's all. So this one I'm not writing. You write refer September worksheet. September worksheet. Okay. That's all. Next, 11th main, write the meanings. Write the meanings. Write the meanings. Write the meanings. Right. First you write trembling. 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 Write the meaning, that is shaking. 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 Trembling means shaking. Next you write labor. Next one. Second one you write labor. L-A-B-O-U-R. Labor. Labor means hard work. H-A-R-D. Hard work. W-O-R-K. Work. Number 3. Right. Crashing. C-R-A-S-H-I-N-G. Crashing. Crashing means falling. Falling very badly. Okay. So that is only called crashing. Next you write locked. L-O-C-K-E-D. Locked. Fixed. F-I-X-E-D. Fixed. One more I'll give. Honored. H-O-N-O-U-R-E-D. Honored. Respected. R-E-S-P-E-C-T-E-D. Okay, right up to here. The last one I'll give question answer. Okay, up to here you write. Okay, next question answer you see children. I have written already. Answer the following. This is 12th main. Answer the following. I read for you. Just write it down. How did Edison earn money for his experiments? I told you he was very hardworking for his experiment. He needed extra money. He used to sell candy, then newspaper to help his experiments. Okay, to earn extra money. So that is what happened to the tortoise when he opened his mouth. What happened? He just fell on the ground. So what did Queen Shiva give King Solomon? What did Queen Shiva give King Solomon? She was so happy with his intelligence. She gave so many gifts for him. Number 4. What helped to make the earth happy like a heaven? What helped to make the earth happy like a heaven? One more question I'll give. So this much finished means you just pause the video. I can continue. Question number 5, I'll write here. Question number 5. What was Edison's greatest, GREATEST, greatest invention, So only 5 questions. Again, made it very short because no time. Next week only exam, no? So only 5 questions are gave and 12 mains I have given. So this question's answer I'm not giving. You have to find out from the PDF. Already you have completed the classwork. It's easy for you. Others, directly this 5 question answer, you just take it from your PDF for to learn for the revision. Okay, so next you write portions. Portions for SA1 exam. Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4. And one poem is there, you see, poem. Poem 1, Little Drops of Water. Grammar, grammar you don't see the book. Grammar you refer worksheet. July, August, September. July, August, September worksheet. Okay. Next, last you write SA1 revision completed. Revision completed. So study well and prepare nicely for exam. I've given both the subject revision, that much only in enough children. Whatever I've given, no question answer only you have to find out from your PDF. Okay, so write neatly and you got the timetable, I think, no? So prepare well for the exam. Thank you, children. Have a good day.